Hello guys, today my kids and I are preparing for our biggest cookie order ever. We're preparing for 150 cookies for a birthday party. And what makes this extra special is that Bakes and Nobles is celebrating its 1 whole year anniversary. So this feels so special, and we think this is a great way to celebrate the 1 year anniversary by making this 150 cookies.
We need to see if we have enough ingredients to make 150 cookies.
Yes, today we're doing inventory to make sure that we have enough ingredients to do this 150 cookies. And here's the challenge. We are going to be baking 3 different flavor cookies, and each cookie has a different recipe. So we're going to be calculating the inventory for each cookie that we're going to be making, for the 3 different flavors that we're going to be making. All right, so we have here our handy dandy recipe sheet. This is our secret recipe. We can't turn it around. We can't share it.
What?
This is our secret recipe. We are going to calculate for. Can you tell me what is this for? What's the recipe for?
The
Loudly.
oatmeal raisin coconut cookies.
Yes. So everything you say, you have to speak it loudly so they can hear you. Berica is soft spoken, so I want her to project her voice and speak loudly so that you guys can hear her. And then, which one do you want to tell them? Okay. And that one is for
the Strawberry Delight cookies.
Yes. And this one is for the red velvet cookies. We're making these 3 amazing, delicious cookies for the birthday party, and we are super excited. Now let's get on with our calculation. Okay. So let's do the easy one first. Let's do the red velvet cookies first.
Those ones are easy.
So for the full recipe makes 16 cookies of red velvet cookies. So write it down. So
full recipe, 16 cookies.
Please sit down. Sit down. Okay. We're gonna have you seated. Thank you. They like to climb and kneel on the chair while writing. We're not gonna do that today. Everybody will sit down. And also, one thing that I wanted to mention is that this is their math for today. They're not doing any math workbook. This is our math today, calculating the ingredients we're gonna need for the 150 cookies.
So 16 cookies?
Full recipe, 16 cookies.
What's the half recipe make?
You tell me. If the full recipe makes 16 cookies, what would the half recipe make?
8?
Yeah.
Half recipe.
Grandma wanted me to ask you if she could boil rice.
Yes, although there's a small one left, but she can.
Half?
Although I don't know if it's going to make people not to hear. Okay. And then a quarter recipe will be what?
Okay. A quarter recipe.
Half recipe, 8 cookies.
And then the quarter recipe would be 4 cookies.
Good. A quarter recipe will make 4 cookies. How many does the full recipe make? How many cookies?
16 cookies.
The half recipe will make what?
8 cookies.
The quarter recipe will make how many cookies?
4 cookies.
4 cookies.
Good.
And then half and quarter.
Now we are. Let's not focus on half a quarter yet.
I'm just putting it.
Okay. So since we're making 150 cookies, and we're gonna be making 3 flavors, how many flavors would each? How many cookies would each flavor have?
Half and quarter.
No.
And I'm trying to.
We're making 150. I'm gonna go to the board and write it. We're making a total of 150 cookies.
Don't worry, they can see the board.
Okay, they can.
Yeah.
Can see me.
Just let the writing on the board.
Okay, we have a total of 150 cookies, and we have what? 3
Different
flavors.
And 150 divided by 3 equals 50.
Good.
Half and quarter, 12.
That's just for me.
Erica, right here. Don't worry, you don't have to do that part. Focus on me. We're doing 150 cookies, and then we have 3 flavors total that we're gonna be making. So each flavor will be how many cookies? We're gonna be doing 150.
Plus,
It's not gonna be plus. We're gonna be dividing it by
3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5.
good.
5 times 3 equals 15.
Good. Speak loudly.
15 minus 15 equals 0. And 0 divided by 3 is 0.
Good.
And 0 divided by 3 equals 0.
0 times 3.
3 equals 0. And that only equals 0. So it's 50.
So each flavor will have how many cookies?
50 cookies.
Good job. So we're going to be making 50 cookies for each flavor. It means that all the recipes will have 50 cookies. So we're going to have 50 red velvet, 50 strawberry delight, and 50 oatmeal raisin.
So 50 plus 50 plus 50
equals 150.
50.
Good job. Now, since one full recipe gives us 16 cookies.
Wait, for each one?
Huh?
Yeah, for each, yes. For each full recipe, sit down, Berica. For each, don't shop on that, it's fine. For each full recipe, we get 16 cookies. Now, how many full recipes do we need altogether? So one full recipe gives us 16 cookies. How many full recipes do we need to get to 150?
So we need to
or a little bit more.
So we need to add all these numbers up?
We're looking at a full recipe. Full recipe gives us 16, but we don't need 16. We need 50. How many full recipes do we need to get 50?
4.
All right.
We need 4.
So let me go back on the board here. So each flavor needs. So each flavor is
Actually,
50
I miscalculated. It was supposed to be 3 full recipes, 1 half recipe to make 58.
Okay, full recipe. Okay, full recipe gives us how many cookies, Berica?
16.
Good. But we need 50. 16 and 50. Which one is bigger? Say it.
50.
50. You gotta say it loud so they can hear.
50.
50. All right. We have 16. We have one full recipe. 1. We need another full recipe, right? Because we need what? 50, right?
Yeah.
Another one full recipe. Are we right? Are we on the 50 yet? Do we have 50 yet? We have 16, 16, 16. Is it 50 yet? Can you put it in your notebook?
Let's see.
What's 16 plus 16 plus 16?
Okay, 16.
Let me know whether we've reached the 50 yet.
16 plus
Hold on.
16. That's 6 plus 6 equals 12.
So what did you get?
48.
We have 48.
Which is still which is still less than 50.
Thank you. 48 is what?
It is
Less than 50. Good. Amarachi, please can you stop that? All right. We need 50. So what do we do now? We have 3 full recipes. What do we need to bring it?
I think we need 2 ones to 48 to make 50.
So we need what? A quarter recipe, or what do we need? One more full recipe, or do we need something smaller?
Which one is closest to 2?
So which one should we use?
Yeah, which one is closest to the number 2?
Close to number 2. It's 4.
Okay, I got it all figured out.
So which one do we need? We have one full recipe, one full
recipe.
We can do a quarter recipe, but what if we make some and then some don't turn out so well?
We'll have some.
And what if some people want to eat some?
Well, if we add one more full recipe, we'll get 64. If we add a half recipe, then we'll get 56.
54 or 56. No, you said 66.
No, I said that if you add one more full recipe, you'll get 64, which means a lot of extra. If you add a half recipe, you'll get 56. If you add a quarter, you'll get 52.
Okay, I think it would be good to add maybe half a recipe.
All right.
So let's do half a recipe.
Half a recipe.
Is what? Gives us how many?
Half recipe is 8 cookies.
Gives us 8. Now can we add them all together? What is it again?
48 plus 8.
Is what? 48 plus 8 is what?
Okay.
I'll just let
48
you figure it out.
plus 8.
Mom, Grandma won.
48
The other way, David.
8 plus 8 equals 16. 1 plus 4 equals 5, which is 56.
56. So we're gonna get to 56.
Which is more than 50.
Yeah, but extra is a good thing because what if we eat some or some of them turn out bad? Then we'll have to make some more cookies even though we haven't even prepared for that yet.
Yeah. And also, I think we might even get more than 56 from this.
Oh, that's a good thing.
We might get up to like 60 cookies.
Well, that's a good thing.
So I think having a full recipe and half a recipe is good. Or
Because here, I did all the math right here.
what about a half and a quarter?
Let's see, a half and a quarter. Well, I did
A
it
half
right
and
here.
a quarter
Make
gives
12
us-
quick cookies.
Yeah.
So if you have 12 to 48.
A half gives you 8, while a quarter gives you 4. So it's 12 cookies.
People like these cookies. We may want to have some
60.
to eat at home. What do we think? You know what? Let's just make it
We got
4 full. Let's just make it 4 full recipe.
Which means we'll get 64 cookies.
Yes.
I did all the math. Woo.
Yep. So it's 64. Okay,
Yep.
Beraka, you add, instead of us adding, we're going to have 4 16s now.
4 16s.
Instead it's what?
It'll make 64.
Okay. So 4 16, we're deciding to make it full recipe.
4 16.
Like 4 full recipes.
I got 64, which is 14 more cookies to spare.
So that's okay.
Hold on. This means that
4 full recipes.
yes. So to get 50 cookies for each flavor and to be safe,
Yeah,
we need 4
full recipes. To
yeah,
get at
4
least
times
64
our
cookies.
full recipe. Okay?
Yeah.
So it means everything ingredient we use for our full recipe, we're going to multiply it by what? It means every ingredient that we use for our full recipe will multiply it by what?
4.
4.
By 4.
Ooh, that's a lot.
So if we're doing double, we multiply everything by 2. If we're doing triple it, we multiply everything by 3. But since we're doing 4 times of the full recipe, we gotta do what is there? 4 what?
4 full
Times.
recipes.
4 times.
Oh yeah, 4 times this, 4 times that.
Are you paying attention? So I want you to pay attention. Every ingredient we're using for the full recipe has to be multiplied by what?
4.
Thank you. If we use 2 sticks of butter, how many butters are we gonna need for 4 full recipes?
6.
Let's see, 2 butters, 2.
If
8!
we use 2, wait, if we use
sorry.
2 sticks of butter, how many do we need for 4 full recipes? Remember we said everything we're going to be using will multiply by what?
4.
That is your
So
key.
2 times 4 is 8.
Thank you. Okay? So now I'm going to write the full I'm going to write the full recipe on your paper because we don't want to share our secret. For the red velvet, I'm going to write out.
You really write fast.
I'm writing out the ingredients on the paper for her, and I'm going to do it for her too so that they can calculate what ingredient we need to make 4 times the regular recipe. What you guys have is the same.
Don't mind the baking girl. It's just me.
Good job. Both of you got the same thing, so I'm assuming they are correct.
Mommy.
Yes.
Wait, you got the same answer as I did?
We have completed calculating all the ingredients we need for the 3 flavors of cookies that we're going to be making. Now, can we combine all the ingredients and actually see what we need to buy? So we need 8 eggs, 8 eggs, 8 eggs. That would be how many?
8 plus 8 equals 16.
Okay.
16 plus 8.
And we know everything else. Okay. So if we need 8 eggs and we need 8 eggs for 3 recipes, how many eggs do we need altogether?
24.
8 times 3 is 24? Okay.
8, 16, 24.
So we need 24 eggs. Can you get me one? You see?
How many eggs are in a carton?
So,
Mama, how many eggs are in a regular carton?
you can get eggs that has 2 dozens inside. And 2 dozen is exactly 24, right?
Yep.
So we need 24 eggs altogether.
Or 2 cartons.
And what about how many? 2 dozen. So 2 dozen eggs we need. So how many butter? How much? What about butter? Erica, sit down properly.
8 times
How many butters do we need?
24 sticks.
So we need 24 sticks of butter. That's also 2 dozens. You know, we don't say it like that, but it's 24 sticks.
Yeah. Because our butter usually comes in packs of 4.
So packs of 4, and that's 4 into
4,
how many?
8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
So we need how
6
many?
boxes.
So we need 6 boxes. How many does it usually come? I think it comes in like 4.
Yeah, it comes in 4.
So if it comes in 4, how many do we actually need to get the 6 that we need? We need to buy like 2 of those.
2 of them. Oh!
2 of the whole pack that we get from Sam's Club, because the whole thing has 4 boxes, but we need
And in
6 boxes.
And in each 4 boxes, there are 4 blocks of butter.
So it comes with 16, but we need 24.
Yeah. 16 plus 16.
So we need
32.
So we need the 2 packs of butter from Sam's Club.
2 packs of butter.
Unsalted butter. There I can see properly.
Are we going to buy those tomorrow?
I don't know. From Sam's Club. Alright. We calculated all the ingredients that we need and how much of them we need, and then we estimated how much each price will be, how much the price of each ingredient will be, and then we calculated the total of the estimated price of the ingredients, and we got what? $140. All right, so that's it. We have calculated our ingredients, how much we need. We know we need it. Like, we've run out of a lot of ingredients, so we're gonna do some shopping this week. Hopefully, David, you're in front of the camera. And we've calculated how much money we might need for everything. David,
Yeah.
you're doing it again. And hopefully we pray that the price of stuff go down so we don't spend $140, you know, so that we can at least have some
No, you can't control.
good profit for these cookies. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Come on, everybody, come and say bye.
Bye.
Bye. And hopefully, when we do our shopping, we might take you along with us.
Mommy, give it
Okay,
back.
we might post our shopping trip so that you can watch and see how we do our shopping again for this bigger order. All right, God bless you guys. Bye.
Bye.